The bride and groom are missing. In many Indian cities, people are now going to fake weddings. These are parties that look like real weddings, but there is no bride or groom. Guests pay money for tickets, and they come to enjoy music, dancing, decorations, and food. The idea started in a few places, but it has quickly become very popular. People say fake weddings are just fun because there is no pressure. Real weddings can be stressful and very expensive. At fake weddings, you can enjoy the colors, the traditions, and the party without family problems or high costs. Young people, especially from Generation Z, often like the mix of old wedding culture and modern freedom. This trend is not only in India. Fake wedding parties have also taken place in cities like Frankfurt and New York. Some students even hold them on university campuses. The slogan is simple: no one is getting married, but everyone is invited. Many people love the community feeling and the chance to celebrate together. For some, these events may seem silly. Others believe they are a new way to celebrate culture. They show that many people today want to spend money on experiences rather than on things. A fake wedding is not about starting a marriage, but about enjoying happiness with others.